Good morning, children. This is Shashi here, and today we are going to continue with our chapter. So, exercise 3E. Yesterday we had seen the division math, finding the square root. Finding the square root by division method. Few questions we had solved. Okay. Yep. As you can see here, this question 1444. Its square root by division method we have seen. Okay, so today one more question number 12 we are going to discuss today. Okay, so that it will be more clear for you. So what is there? We have to find the square root of 92,416. We have to find the square root by division method. Okay, so we'll see here. First of all, we'll write 92,416. Okay, now what is our next step? We have to make the pair. So 2 digit pair from right side. So 1 6, then 2 4, and 9 is left alone. So 9 will take it alone. Okay, now start the process. So you can see here 9 is there, only one digit is there. So which number we should take, by which number it should be multiplied so that it will come 9 or less than 9. So suppose if we'll take 4, then 4 4 is 16. It is coming more than 9. Okay, so we cannot take 4. Can we take 3? 3 3 is 9. We'll get 9. Okay, so we'll take that. So I told you the number which you are taking, it should be multiplied with the same number. So 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. Now subtract it. 9 minus 9, how much you will get? 0. Now this 24 will come down. This 24 will come down. Okay, 24. And in the right side also we have to write 3. 3 3 is 9. We have taken. So in the right side also we have to write 3. Okay, 3 3 is 9. Now both these 3 3, this 3 3 we have to add here. Okay, after adding, how much we'll get? We'll get 6. Okay, how much we'll get? We'll get 6. Now what number we should take here? We should take here, suppose if we'll take 1 1. Okay, then 1 1 is 1 and 1 6 is 6. If we are taking like this, then it is coming 61. It is coming 61, which is more than 24. So can we take? We cannot take 1 also. So less than 1, that is we'll have to take 0. Okay, so we'll take here what? We'll take here 0 times. So we'll take 0 times, we'll take 0 0 0 0 0, again 0 into 6 0. So 0 we have taken. At right side also we'll write 0. Got it? Now 24 minus 0, how much we'll get? Here we'll get 24 only. Okay, and now this 60, you can see here left side, this 60 and plus 0, how much we'll get? 60 only we'll get. So we'll write here 60. Okay, now what we have to do? What is the next procedure? This 16, see here right side, this 16 is in pair, so both the digit will come down. This 16 will come down here. Okay, so we'll write here 16. Now what number we should take? What number we should take so that we'll get this much? Means left side what number should we take? Already 60 is there. Now we have to take what number? 1 times we should take, or 2 times we should take, or 3 times we'll take, or 4 times what we should take. Okay, if we'll take 1 times, so 60 is already there. If you'll take 1 times 1 1, then you have to multiply. How much you will get? 1 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 6 6 6 0 1. And here how much it is? Here it is 2416. So it is too much larger, and it is coming 601 only. So we'll take more number, bigger number we should take. Okay, so bigger number, if you'll take, just see the last digit, 6 is there. So if we'll take 6 times, 6 6 is 36, last digit will get 36 only. So 6 6 is 36, 3 carried, 6 into 0 0, and 3 only, and 6 6 is 36. How much we are getting? We are getting more than 2416. So 6 also we cannot take, it is coming more. So less than 6 we should take. So if we'll take 5, then 5 5 is 25. Better to take 4 times. 4 4 is 16, 1 carried, 4 into 0 0, and 1 will be here, 4 6 is 24. Are we getting the same number? 2416, 2416. Okay, so we'll take 4. Okay, so if we'll take 4, if we'll take here 4, so 4 times, so right side also, here also we'll have to take 4. Now 4 4 is 16, 1 carried, 4 0 0, and 1, and 4 6 is 24. We are getting the same number, so all the numbers are getting cancelled. So finally how much we are getting? Finally 92,416 square root. How much we are getting? We are getting 304 is equal to 304. Okay, so this way we can solve, we can find the square root of any number by division method. Okay, now come to the statement questions. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 2509 to make it a perfect square. Okay, before doing this one, just we should take small example. Suppose if I'll ask you, what number should we, suppose a number is 27, and I'll ask you what number we should take so that what number we should subtract so that 27 from 27, so that it will become a perfect square. So perfect square will find the square root. Okay, so 2 digit we have taken. So 27, is it a perfect square? This is not a perfect square. 4 4 is 16, 5 5 is 25, then 6 6 is 36. In 6 times we are getting greater than this, in 5 times we are getting less than this. So 5 5 is 25. Okay, so 7 minus 5, 2 we are getting. So if this 2 is subtracted from 27, then how much it will become? It will become 25, and 25 is a what? Perfect square. We get 5 into 5, 5 square we get is equal to 25. Okay, so in 27, this whatever is remainder here, like in division, so this 2 if we'll subtract from 27, it will become 25, and 25 is a perfect square. If we'll take another example, suppose I'm asking you 85. what number should be subtracted from 85 so that it will become a perfect square? So 85 is the number. 85 is the number, so we'll have to take its square root, 2 digits, so we have taken in pair. So 9 9s are 81. Okay, now what is our remainder? 4. So this 4 if we'll subtract from 85, it will become how much? 85 minus 4. 85 minus 4 will get how much? 81, and 81 is a perfect square. 9 9 is 81, we get or not? So what we have to subtract? Whatever remainder we are getting. Okay, so the same question is given in the form of statement. You can see here. So what is the question? You can see, find the least number which must be subtracted from 2509 to make it a perfect square. 2509 is not a perfect square. Okay, so what we have to do? Try to find out the square root. Okay, we'll try to find out the square root. Although it is not a perfect square, so we'll not get exactly. Whatever remainder will be there, that will be our what? That will be our least number, required least number. So 2509. Now we'll make the pair 2 digit. Okay, now what number we should take? So that if we'll multiply by the same number, it should come less than 25 and more or equal to 25. So 5 we can take. 5 5 is 25. We are getting this one. Okay, so 25 minus 25 will get 0. Now this 5 and 5 will add it, left side will get 10. Now this 09 will come down. Okay, this 09 will come down. So how many times we will have to take? 0 times again we'll take 0 times, because here it is 9 only. If we'll take 1 times only, 10 is there, and 1 times only if we'll take, we'll get 101, which will be more than 9. So we cannot take 1 times, so less than 1 times we'll take. So 0 times we'll take. 0 0 0 will get. Okay, so 9 minus 0 will get here 9, and here 0 we have taken. Okay, now so what is the remainder here? 9. Now in 2509, if we'll subtract 9, you can see here this 9, if we'll subtract here, how much we'll get here? We'll get 2500, and according to the rule, last 2 digits are 00. Okay, so we'll get it perfect square or not? 50 into 50, if we'll multiply, how much we'll get? 2500. So 50 square will get is equal to 2000. So what is the least number that we have to subtract? 9 is the least number which we have to subtract. So in 2509, if we'll subtract 9, then it will become a perfect square. Okay, so this is your statement question. In the same way, rest of the statement questions you'll try to solve. Okay, so see you in the next class. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.